Okie dokie. Let's hop into Skibidi Toilet, a Christmas Skibidi Toilet. So let's get started. First thing I'm gonna do right here is I'm gonna start with like curve a straight and curve in. We'll do the same thing on the other side for the other side of his head. Straight curve in. And we're gonna just tie it up right there with the chin. Up over here, curve around the top. Got that dome right there. All right, so far so good, right? Okay, let's stay together. Go over here, down, in. Over here, down, in. Line, line. And I'm going to go over here and draw a curve right here, curve right here. The fuzziness of the fuzzy hat. Go over here now. Out, down. Line over here. Curve to the tip there. And then we're going to draw a circle for that Santa hat. Sweet. So far, so good. Let's go into the hairline. Curve right here. Curve around the corner right here. Curve around the corner. Line. Line. For underneath the eyes. Okay. Gravestone shape. Gravestone shape. Curve. Smile. And we're going to put a curve right there for one eye, curve right there for the other eye, line down, line down. Line, line. Curve underneath. All right, let's get the eyebrows going too. So, line, line. So far, so good. Okay, I'm going to go over here and draw a straight line down for the neck, down for the neck. Line across over here the bottom. Curve, curve. Outward for the toilet seat right here. Outward here for the toilet seat. By the way, don't forget, hit the like. If you like Skibidi Toilet, if you like Christmas, if you like the channel, if you like the way I'm teaching, hit that like. It really makes a huge difference. It makes a huge difference because then I know what to draw a lot more of. I can talk to you guys and say, hey, what's up in the comments section. Absolutely do that like. If you can, of course. Takes 2 seconds, less than 2 seconds. Takes like less than 1 second. Go over there. Oh, snap. I just dropped my marker. What the? Ugh. It's trying to reach. Okay. Sweet. I'm going to go over here now. Outward. Down for that bowl. Outward. Down for that bowl. Curve out. Curve out. Downward over here, curve underneath. Line underneath here. Over here now, curve. Over here now, curve. Line down. Line over here, down. Alrighty. So we got that back seat of the bowl right there, right? So far, so good. We're going in there. And what I'm going to do is, like when the toilet seat is up, to prevent it from slamming, they have these little like plastic knobs they put at the edge of it, right? To separate that toilet seat from smacking down on the lid from hitting the seat so hard. So we're going to put those right there. Alrighty. You ready? Okay. We're going to go right here. Line out, curve up. Line out over here, curve up for the tank, right? Ready for that tank. Gonna go over here, out, down, out, down. Okay. Pull back right here because there's that top part of the tank you can lift off. There's that lid of the tank. And then we're gonna go down here. Down here. All right. Sweet. Gonna go out over here, right there for the knob, the little dial that you press down, and maybe throw a little line right here. Hold on 1 second. I am going to blow my nose really quick. I'm sorry, I got a cold, guys. Forgive me. But, anywho, I'm going to take a quick time to pause And I'm going to tell you something very important. Go check out the description and the first comment. I'm going to put a lot of stuff for you to look at that's going to help you out. It's going to add to this. It's going to be a playlist. You're going to definitely love it. It's going to add to your learning, and it's going to make you memorize this stuff a lot better. Different playlists. There's free stuff in there. There's free ebook. There's free something. Go take a look at it, and really, really dive into it, because a lot of people don't do that. I think people that are really like, hey, I really want to do this, really dive into that stuff hard and become better really fast. So go check that stuff out, if you can, of course. So we're going to draw a thicker line just around the character, just around the outside, because I wanted to make it look like a sticker, which, by the way, we're about to sell stickers. So I'm going to put that link in the description. If you ever wanted to, Christmas cheer, pay me back, if you want to tip me, go ahead, check out my Amazon wish list. I'm going to put it over there in basically the main page. So go take a look at that. Curve over here, in, down over here, out, down, right here, and right there. Line over here, line over here. And let's draw like some lines right here, thinner lines, to give it some dimension, because a lot of these pictures look a lot better with a little bit of dimension to it. It really helps the I wouldn't say realism, but it makes it look like you worked a lot harder on it. Gives it some character, and it really just helps the entire drawing out. And that's kind of what you want, right? You want to help the drawing out, and you want to like make it your own. And you can draw these in different ways if you want, like put some little marks right here, maybe throw little things right there. What this is doing is it's showing maybe there's like a little bit of reflected light. It's showing some dimension to the actual drawing, and it just makes it look better, honestly. But you want to make those lines thinner. That's very important. You want to make these lines thinner, and it's just a lot better that way. So definitely thinner is better, right? Alrighty, and then like a curve right here at the throat area. That is mostly it. What I want you to do is I want you to stay and do another drawing lesson with me, okay? Let's do it together. All right, we're going to do another one. You get better every time you do these, so let's get started right about now. All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.